Everyone, it's Lisa Brown with Ink and Inspirations, and in this video we're going to be making a cash holder for a graduate using the Tune In bundle. We have a 6.5 by 9 piece of real red cardstock scored at 3 and 6 1/4, and I'm going to go to this smaller section, the 6 1/4 inch score there, and punch a 1 3/4 inch circle so that the cash will show through the little window there. You can use a 1 1/2 inch or really any size that will fit on that little section. So I have two pieces of basic white cut at 6 1/4 by 2 3/4, one for the inside to write my message, the other as a layer behind the Full of Life Designer Series paper there. So I'm just going to put that on the front, and then we're going to work on our main image. I have a piece of basic white, and I'm going to stamp that vintage television in Memento Black because I'm going to color in Stampin' Blends. Now that image didn't come out so great, so I'm going to flip that over since it won't show and re-stamp and make sure I get a good impression. So for the screen I'm using light smoky slate just to kind of mimic the way those screens used to look, and just color it in. It doesn't have to be perfect because the screen sometimes had little lines through it. And then I decided to take my cue from the designer paper with this blue, which is Blueberry Bushel. I'm starting with some dark and putting some color in, and then I'll fill in with the light Blueberry Bushel. So this is just easy coloring. You can go in straight lines or you can go in circular motions to fill in. So I just like to get it filled in and try to stay within those borders. So I'll get the dark back out and just accent some of those lines and around the rim of this TV screen. Next, I'll put Your Super in the center with Memento Black ink, and we're going to glue that toward the right side because I'm going to put another sentiment that says Newsflash on a 1/2 inch strip of basic white. It was just scrap, and I'm going to cut that off and glue that at an angle for interest. I've already die cut some of these 3 little electrical boats in Daffodil Delight, and I'm going to glue those above the New Flash sentiment. So there we have a nice, fun, and easy gift card cash holder that you can use for a graduate. Plenty of room to write an inspiring message, and you can either present it like that if in person, and you can tie some twine around it to keep it closed, or if you're going to mail it, you can put it in a legal size envelope or custom make your envelope to fit. So I hope you enjoyed this video and you'll give it a try. Be sure and visit my website at inkandinspirations.com and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're here, and click the like button if you enjoyed it. This is Lisa Brown with Ink and Inspirations, inspiring you to create, share, and make a difference. Take care. Bye-bye.